Hi, bankruptcy attorney Brian Barboza here, and today I'm going to discuss, will bankruptcy eliminate or stop creditor harassment? Before we get started, if bankruptcy is something you want to talk more about or you want to explore your options, please feel free to give me a call or go to my website, barbozalaw.com, book an appointment to speak with me for free directly through the website. Okay, so will filing bankruptcy, stop creditor harassment? A lot of times when people come to meet with me, of course, they have debts. And a lot of times those creditors are pretty aggressive in their collection efforts. They call the person 10, 20 times a day. They send them multiple letters, maybe even make some kind of idle threats about what they can and can't do to them to collect the money. And so people are kind of freaked out and they're really anxious and want to know what can be done about the creditor harassment. And bankruptcy is always something we're going to explore. And the answer, really, the general answer is yes. When you file bankruptcy, the creditor harassment will stop. Let me explain why. When you file bankruptcy, what happens is what's called an automatic stay goes into effect. An automatic stay is an injunction that stops creditors from being able to attempt to collect the debt from you while you're in bankruptcy. So this means during bankruptcy, they won't be able to call you, they won't be able to send you bills, statements. Now they could send you some statements, regular periodic statements that do have a very bold, conspicuous disclosure that this is not an attempt to collect a debt if you're in bankruptcy, blah, blah, blah. But at the end of the day, they can't robocall you, they can't call you, they can't make threats, they can't try to collect the money from you, they can't sue you, they can't move forward with a lawsuit if they've already sued you. And so this bankruptcy automatic stay is very powerful. And so long as you successfully complete the bankruptcy case and you get a discharge of your debts, then what happens is that discharge order issued by the bankruptcy judge that also enjoins them, it stops them from being able to try to collect the debt because number one, the debt is no longer enforceable or even a debt anymore against you. But two, they would be in violation of a court order if they tried to collect a debt that a bankruptcy judge says you no longer owe. So yes, bankruptcy, so long as you successfully complete it, will stop the creditor harassment. Bankruptcy is pretty complicated, however. There's different types of bankruptcies. So before you decide to file bankruptcy, you really should consult with a bankruptcy attorney just to make sure which type of bankruptcy is best for you. And bankruptcy does not solve all problems. You also want to make sure that the bankruptcy is going to solve the kind of debt problems that you have. So that's it. Generally speaking, when you file bankruptcy, creditor harassment, the calls, the letters, the threats, those will have to stop. Wage garnishment, lawsuits, those will have to stop while the bankruptcy is pending. Finish the bankruptcy successfully and the debts no longer exist, so then they would still not be able to contact you or try to collect the debt. All right, so if debt is something that you are struggling with or dealing with, want to talk to me about your bankruptcy options, please feel free to give me a call. Go to my website, barbozalaw.com, book an appointment to speak with me for free through the website. As always, I hope this video was helpful. Hope you got something out of it and have a good rest of your day. Take care. Bye.